are at InfoSecurity 2013 in London. I'm here with my colleague JJ. He's a security solutions architect covering the EMEA region. Well, JJ, how have you found the show so far? Have you been here for long today?
It's been good so far. I've been walking around and had a look, met old colleagues in the business, looking at new trends and topics coming for 2013, 2014. So it's been good.
Is this your first InfoSec, or have you come in before?
I've done a few. I haven't done them the last couple of years, but I've done a few, and I would say this is a decent sized show and good people.
Seems quite busy this year, definitely.
It does.
So how long have you been working in the security industry?
Roughly around 14 years.
14 years.
So most of the time I spent with IPSs, intrusion prevention systems, for a company called SourceFire.
Okay.
And now gone over to the dark side.
Over to the dark side. So, what's going on in security? What's interesting? What have you been talking about with people lately?
It seems to be, one of the things I reacted on was that there is lots of scrubbing vendors, like DDoS scrubbing vendors.
Coincidentally, Gemma's scrubbing the bench behind us. It's not that kind of scrubbing though, is it?
Not that kind of scrubbing.
No, okay.
Closely, but not. So it seems to be a boom this year, and I see companies like Prolexic and others, Akamai, which offer service where they clean the pipe for customers. And which, I mean, it's a topic which people have opinion about. Do you need a cloud-based version, or do you need an on-premise equipment to do that best?
Okay. What's your thoughts on that?
I mean, obviously, we at F5 here, we have on-premise equipment for dealing with those kind of things, but we partner with other security as a service vendors and deliver hardware to them. And
covering both ends of it.
Covering both ends. So I think there's no silver bullets to fix the problem. What I think is the best approach is to use equipment on-premise for the more intelligent sort of attacks.
For our non-technical audience, can you explain to me the problem of why some people believe you need to clean it at the other end? I mean, what is the problem that may happen?
So looking back, like the last 6 months or even longer, the last year, we've seen an increase in the volumetric DDoS attacks, which means that
huge volumes of data.
Huge volume of data that you fill the pipe with. The only way to get rid of that really is to do simple scrubbing in the cloud before it enters your pipe.
Okay, so taking care of the problem before it reaches your data center is what?
Taking care of the problem before it reaches your data center.
Understand.
So that's one approach, and it works, and it covers lots of the functionality you want for clean pipe concept. But usually underneath a DDoS attack, a volumetric DDoS attacks, there is another more sophisticated attack. Like an SQL injection or a cross-site scripting attack.
Application-targeted type attacks.
Correct. So you try to set up a smoke screen that security engineers is focusing on, and underneath the radar, you squeeze in a more sophisticated attack.
I heard a new acronym recently, a 3DOS attack. Is that what you're talking about there? The diverse distributed denial of service attack. Correct. So diverse being the different types that we're... Oh, right, okay. Oh, excellent. So that's really interesting. So there's solutions out there. There's new types of attacks going on. We just have to be a bit more clever and keep up with the attacks that are going on and look at newer ways to mitigate against them.
And remember that there's no single bullet, and you need an on-premise, and you in many cases can benefit from a cloud-based solution as well. But you definitely need an on-premise solution to protect your environment.
Okay, excellent. Well, JJ, thanks for coming along. Always great to see you.
Always great to see you.
And hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, thank you.